I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my dehumidifier. The great thing about this is that it makes life simpler and more portable. This is actually the size, and it's actually not very heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. And then also here on the side, it does have great features: 2 dual core, double condenser, double dehumidification in capacity, 7 atmosphere lights. I'll be showing you that as well. 2.5 liter water tank, and then it also has automatic drainage, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like. So like I mentioned, it is actually not very heavy. Take a look. This is the size of it. On the back here, you see the water tank right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that out. As you can see, here is the tank, and it goes right in there. Very easy to pull out. And then on the top here, it has the on and off, the light, sleep mode, and a timer. It has 8 hours, 16 hours, and 24 hours. Here looks like this is the filter. The great thing about the humidifier is that you could also add essential oils to it. I'm adding eucalyptus to give it a hint of that scent as it processes through the machine. I'm going to give you a closer look at the quick touch buttons, the on and off button, the light mode, sleep mode, and the timer. This dehumidifier has such a compact design, it fits anywhere. Here is a shot of it in the living room. As you could see, this is in the entrance of the home. It is nice, compact, and convenient. Also, the side here has the filter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. You just simply push down and pull out the filter. Once you're done, simply press it back in and you are all set. Very nice, good looking design, good quality product. I'm going to give you a close-up on what that water filter looks like. Once you fill it up, simply put it on the back of the dehumidifier. This is perfect for any home or small office, room. Definitely recommend 10 out of 10.